Should I give Cash App my social security number? Should I give Cash App my SSN? Let's break it down in this video. So Cash App is like a digital piggy bank. You can send money, get paid, even buy stuff. But if you want to unlock all the cool features like sending more money or using a cash card, they'll ask for your social security number. That's like your money ID in the US. So why would they want your social security number? Cash App has to follow US rules to stop things like money laundering and the sort. So they need to have your social security number to prove that you are a real person and you are a person who intends to use the platform for good. So they also need your SSN so that you are not stuck in the basic mode, so that if you want to use the platform to send bigger amounts, the SSN is the one that is going to unlock those perks. It also helps everyone on the platform. That's why they request to know who you are, so that they keep all their users on the platform safe and protect people from scammers and fake accounts. Tech stuff. If you make money through Cash App selling stuff, they need your SSN in order to send you your tax forms. So only give the SSN inside the app. Don't give your social security number to random people or websites. You need to give it in the official app. You don't have to give your social security number. That's another point. If you don't want to give Cash App your social security number, it's fine. You can use Cash App without submitting your SSN, but for small stuff. If you still feel you don't want to give them your SSN, then probably just leave Cash App and find another competing app.